Share notebook. Yes, share notebook. Boys. Interrogative rules. We have discussed yes or no type means the questions that begin with helping verbs. Now it's time to discuss WH. Yes. What happened? Tight है ये bench. थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे करो. रुको रुको रुको. Wait wait one. हाँ. टेढ़ा कर. What are you doing? मैं नहीं कह रही, इन्हें कह रही हूँ फर्स्ट बेंच वालों को. हाँ चलो अनवर. चलो अनवर कीप स्पेस रखो थोड़ी सी. श्रेया. हाँ. So yes, for voice WH type, rules are again same. WH type rules are same. The way we change. Done. Shayad. Still. Wait. Let me check. So WH words. For WH words again the structure everything is same. The difference, not the difference, it's just WH word. What should be the structure? WH word inactive plus inactive voice. Try to frame any question. Subject. It's mostly helping verb. Then subject. Then first form or yeah, main verb you can say. Plus object. Okay. When the question begins with WH. Is it okay? Most of the time we follow this structure. Is it okay? Now the rule that is again same. Changes of that places. Is it okay? This will not change. You are not supposed to change this word. Is it okay? Other rules are same. If it is in, if suppose you are using modal auxiliary here, then you are going to use be, has, have, had, then being, BEE been. And then if ing form is there, then being. Everything is same. Is it okay? Just the difference is with who and whom. पहले simple वाला एक करवा के दिखा देती हूँ. Cluster. Write down the example. WH type, correct? Helping verb, subject, main verb, object. Change. No need to change when. When this work? When was this work done by you? Question mark. Okay. तो वो चेंज हो जाएगा सेंटेंस. नहीं, was पहले आता है सब्जेक्ट से. Now if I talk about who, write down this. Who changes to by whom. That's all. Other rules are same. Just you have to change who to by whom. Like here we have written when, but when the question comes about means when the question is beginning with who, then you need to change it into by whom. Bolo sentence. हाँ चलो, who has written the letter? ठीक है, क्या इतना बड़ा? The rule, एक second. The rule is just that you have to follow first thing this. For passive voice, now it depends on the tense. Basically, it depends on the tense. So I don't think I can write that now introduce being, been or वो जो भी है. Just same WH word for passive. ठीक है? Plus here you have to use the helping verb. वो आएगा ही आएगा. Plus object and then whatever been, being, whatever that you need to add. Let's write all. Be, been, being, plus third form of the verb, correct? And then this is the rule, depending on the tense. Who has written the letter? By whom? Again was? By whom? Think carefully and then answer. By whom? Okay, you are saying by whom? The letter. By whom has the letter? By whom has the letter been written? And question mark. Is it okay? No need to repeat by there because we have already written it here. As we are asking for the subject here. Got it? यहाँ पे तो you are asking about the subject only ना. If you are beginning your question with who, it means you want to know about the subject. Is it okay? Sentences do? Sure. Okay. Write it down, then I'll give you sentence. Punya, Angelina, any doubt? You will Prabal, right? Done? Okay. Ma'am, the exercise. Then whom he है तो फिर usually we change it into who. नहीं. Only who. Mixed exercise, okay? Mixed in the sense मतलब do, does, did and all. नहीं, imperative still pending. Acha, when I hope you remember this. Whenever anybody, somebody, someone, nobody, if you want to skip this in that place, in the place of agent, then you can do that. Is it okay? But whenever you change, if you skip that part by dash, by anybody, still it is okay. Your wish. क्या हो गया आपका? राघव, नो नो, ये चेंज कर रही हूँ. Ten sentences. You need to write the answers also. And from first, I hope you got the message. It is compulsory to wear full sleeves. Is it okay? No matter what you feel, you have to wear full sleeves. Done? Full sleeves means अभी नहीं, 1st November. Manasku done? Only Manasku. Gulkaran mask. Manan. Janvi. How many of you have done? But hurry up. We need to discuss imperative sentences also. What out there very easy. Some are done. Okay, Manasu, hurry up. Asta, we are going to discuss answers. Don't worry. Anvay? Done? Karan, done? 5? Prabal? Shivam? First, did. Which tense is this? Which past? Simple past. Just think about the rules. What we use in place of do, does, did. That's all. Finish. अब मैं second भी बताऊं. Can, modal auxiliary. What is the rule with modal auxiliary? Can. You are not supposed to change it into could. If it is can, you need to write in can, then the rule. Change the places of subject and object. Oh, I don't think I have given you any sentence. Yes, but yes. Huh? Huh. Yes, but you are not supposed to change the tense. This is the common mistake. When we write can, you change it into could. Will ki jagah would. No. Let's start. Okay, did she just raise your hands instead of shouting. Did she recognize you? Okay, Karan. Okay, did you are recognized by her, correct? No. No. Yes. Yes, Prabal. Were you recognized by her? Correct? Sure? Okay, second. Jasleen. Can it be cured? It be cured. By anyone, anybody, you can skip. Is it okay? No. Can it be cured. Anybody मत लिखो. Don't write anybody, somebody, nobody. Can it be cured? Yes, Anvay, next. Who wrote this book? By whom was this book written? Correct? Sure? Gurkaran. When will they announce the results? When will the results be announced by them? You can skip, but इस हिसाब से हम सारे skip करते रहेंगे. Surety किसकी है? Here, you can easily skip. ठीक है? यहाँ पे just go for that. हाँ, question mark is required. Avni, have you invited them? Have they been invited by you? Correct? Wrong? So next, चलो हार्दिक. What did they say? नहीं. If yes, past perfect है, मतलब whatever perfect tense is, you need to keep it in that form only. Has, have, had, has, have, had. Just in case of present tense means if we have has or have, then we need to change has or have according to the subject. जो immediate subject आएगा, singular or plural. Otherwise, if it is has, have, had, go for has, have, had. Just changes किस में आएंगे? Do, does, did. That's all. Yes, Hardik. What did they say? What was said by them? Correct? Swarit, please repeat the answer. What did they say?
What did they say?
This is grammatical disaster. This sentence is correct. I am not asking you to correct this sentence. Change it into passive. The answer given by, just given by this boy, Hardik. अभी इसने जब बात कर रहा था ना तू, Swarit, whenever you come once in a blue moon, what you need to do is you need to focus. ठीक है? Is it okay? What did they say? Now repeat, Swarit. Them. What was said by them? Yes, Anmol. Will you help him? Will he be? Sure. Or would he be helped by you? It is will he be helped by you? Bani. Was he watching TV? Was TV? Being watched by him. Was TV being watched by him? If you skip being, चाहे तुमने subject object की places change की हैं, you will get 0 marks. Okay, Manaswa, can he drive a car? Wait, let him. Manaswa, can he drive a car? Let him write. Mankirat. Again. Can a car be driven? Manaswa, it's driven. Can a car be driven by him? Do you eat rice? Yes, Devan? Is rice eaten by you? Go for is. Done? Any doubt? आर में क्या प्रॉब्लम आएगी? आर में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, बट हम इसे एज अ सिंगल एक यूनिट लेके चलेंगे. ठीक है? We'll take it a unit. That's all. ठीक है? Okay, 8. Who is going to repeat the 8th answer? Was he watching TV? Was the TV being, B-E-I-N-G, being watched by him? What? 4. When will they announce the result? When the result, if you are writing this, then it means you are changing it into declarative part. When will the results be announced by them? Now, then TV नहीं, जब है ही नहीं तो why the only TV? If it is the, then you have to go for the whatever article or जो भी use किया होगा, then you need to write that. Is it okay? Okay, now for imperative sentences, just the structure is what you need to do. Add, you are requested, you are ordered. You are requested and you are ordered. Bas, that's all. Nothing else. In few imperative sentences, we use let. Otherwise, the basic rules are same. That's all. उसमें imperative में ज़्यादा changes नहीं आएंगे. Suppose the sentence is, please come here. You are requested to come here. Finish. The same way we write in direct and in narration. Is it okay? Shut the door. You are requested to shut the door. Usually when we use please, then go for requested. Otherwise, you are ordered to shut the door. Open your books. You are ordered. Open your books. Time is actually over, so I'm not going to go for the, not going to write the rules. Okay, walk slowly. You are advised to walk slowly. How can I give you order? हो सकता है. Talk slowly. Don't talk. ठीक है? Is it not to, not and then to. पहले not आएगा, then to आएगा. Okay. Second, there one more rule is there. We'll discuss it tomorrow because it's 9:09. 9:09. So 1 minute. Only 1 minute is left. Is it okay? Any doubt? Please ask. If you have doubt.